takes a little more than his share of blame and a little less than his share of credit. The challenge of leadership is to be strong but not rude, to be kind but not weak, to be humble but not timid. A very good morning and a warm welcome to the auspicious investiture ceremony of Father Joseph English High School. The investiture ceremony is an official celebration of investing new members with honor and ranks, forming a new cabinet for the welfare of the school. Year after year, it reminds us of the trust and confidence that we repose in our newly elected cabinet. Let's together discover the beauty of this day as this event begins to blossom. On its very note, we begin with the sacred lamp lighting as a tribute to Goddess Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge, music, art, wisdom, and nature. The flame which looks upwards represents spiritual knowledge that evolves towards a higher consciousness. As the lamp is lit, we pray to Goddess Saraswati to bring us out of darkness into the light of knowledge.
कुन्देन्दु तुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करप्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा। शुक्लां ब्रह्मविचारसारपरमा आद्यां जगद्व्यापिनीं वीणापुस्तकधारिणीम् अभयदां जाड्यान्धकारापहा। हस्ते स्फाटिकमालिकां विदधतीं पद्मासने संस्थितां वन्दे तां परमेश्वरीं भगवतीं बुद्धिप्रदां शारदाम्।
Dance has no barriers. It is something that everyone can feel, everyone can understand, and definitely something everyone can enjoy. Similarly, our culture is an important part of our upbringing. It is because of our culture we are who we are today, both as a nation and as individuals. Presenting in front of you are our students performing the cultural welcome dance as they shine on stage, making this event a memorable one.
हमें दिया जो भगवान से पाया, दिया हमें एक नए मन का उजाला। तूने ही सिखलाई हमें प्यार की सेवा, जब भी कहीं गिरने लगे तूने संभाला। ओ सर्वधर्म समन्वयम् समन्वयम् समन्वयम्, ओ हो 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 हो। बूंद
see our little wonderful friends put in tremendous efforts and lighting up the stage with their graceful performance. Moving forward, we now invest our cabinet with its newly elected members. The Red House, honoured by the name of Sir Rabindranath Tagore. Red is a symbol of love, courage, sacrifice, victory and honour. Students of the Red House stand strong and united at all times. They are known for facing adversities as a team. They are the jacks of all trades, performing at the best of their abilities in sports and cultural events. I take pride in introducing to you captains of the Red House. Master Jatin Pavan Kumar Pal of 9th C, Miss Pratna Pradeep Kumar Yadav of 9th D. The Yellow House, honoured by the name of Swami Vivekananda Sir. Yellow House is dynamic, determined and passionless, led by the belief that they are more than just an ordinary group of students. They truly stand out. Yellow being the colour of the sun, they are a shining example to the students of the school. Dependable, radiant, exquisite and spectacular. With the same zeal, I introduce you to the captains of the Yellow House. Master Vedant Nagesh Mishra of 9th B, Miss Somali Pradeep Das of 9th D. The Blue House, honoured by the name of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. The students of the Blue House are known for their highly intellectual skills, stability and unity. They possess immense intellectual vitality and are committed towards their goals. They are good achievers. Presenting in front of you are the captains of the Blue House. Master Girish Rajesh Kumre of 9th B, Ms. Janvi Krishna Aluvali of 9th C. The Green House, honoured by the name of Sir Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, is indicative of elements like nature, fertility and life. It represents growth and harmony and is the colour of the environment. Students of the Green House are down to earth, responsible and consistently good performers in academics as well as sports. I proudly introduce you to the captains of the Green House. Master Vedant Santosh Malvade of 9th D and Miss Trisha Nityanand Shetty of 9th C. Of the head boy and the head girl is granted to a student who exemplifies good behavior, grades and attendance. They are responsible for setting an example for other students at school and serving as the leaders in school activities. One of this most important duty is to lead by example. Each day at school, they act in keeping up the school rules and regulations, keeping in mind that other students will look up to them for excellence and guidance. Presenting before you are the head boy and head girl of our school. Master Deep Prabhat Santra of 9th E, Miss Pranali Pratap Mane of 9th B. The oath-taking ceremony is a solemn occasion where the young students are prepared to accept their honours and discharge their responsibilities entrusted upon them by the school. With this being said, we proceed towards the cabinet swearing-in ceremony.
We promise to carry out the duties and responsibilities entrusted to us with courage and conviction, and above all, to uphold the integrity of our school at all times. We hereby affirm that we will always honor the faith and trust reposed in us and work selflessly and tirelessly for the prestige and glory of our school. Help us, Lord.
The principal is a person who is responsible for giving direction to the lives of thousands of students. We are very fortunate that our institute is led by a principal who is approachable, flexible, open-minded, and always willing to take the tough calls when necessary. Her leadership defines how successful our school is today. With great privilege, I request our Honorable Principal, Mrs. Anu Malhotra, to extend her vote of thanks.
My dear student leaders, this investiture ceremony is different and exciting. Different because it is virtual, and exciting as we move into digital space to practice leadership skills. There is nothing innovative about this, but it shows our ability to be resilient. When most people find COVID period challenging, we are looking for opportunities to improvise our act. This evinces our resilient characteristic as we adapt to new situations successfully. I am sure you are all supple, responsible, and ready to take up new challenges. You have the ability, children, to turn challenging situations into new opportunities to learn new ways of working. You are now going to join the League of Leaders. Most people assume and believe that leadership is a position, but I would like you to look at leadership as who you are. Great leadership starts with self-leadership. So, dear children, leaders must now become excellent time managers, as they will be doubling their hatting between roles as students and leaders. It is possible with proper planning, prioritizing, working with all the sincerity, and of course balancing between relaxing time and having fun. At the conclusion of this beautiful occasion, first and foremost, I would like to thank our entire management to help us keep the momentum running by providing us everything that we need to deliver the best education to our students at this crucial hour. Thanks to all our parents for being with us to witness the investiture ceremony, and we are sure it was a very proud moment for each one of you. Thanks to the entire teaching faculty of FJ for bringing out the best in the students in every situation. At the end, I would just like to share a small quote as an inspiration for all our leaders out there. While knowing is good, doing is better, but adding value is the best. So students, be the best. Here's wishing you all the leaders of FJ, a very successful tenure with great faith that they may add value to our lives and bring great laurels and pride to their institution and families. So my dear children, be prepared to lead through innovation, pursue excellence, grow by learning, and be a global citizen. Good luck to you all.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for addressing us and motivating us. Your motivation has always been our guidance. Last but not least, I congratulate our newly elected council. I believe we all will strive to the fullest and take the school to new heights with pride and grace. On this very note, as we come to the end of yet another beautiful event, I request everyone to kindly stand in honor of our national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे, गाहे तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे, जय 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 हे।